Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going through paper 1. This will be for people taking the exam from 2027 and onwards. Let's jump right in. So for question A, it will usually be an identify question or a define question. And for a define question, we will always need 2 points, 2 keywords or 2 key phrases, right? So this is my first key point, resources. This is my second key point. If you miss one of these, you will only get 1 marks. And please note that before you answer the questions, it's a good practice to actually start reading through this little case study here and highlight anything that you think you can use for application, right? For question B, it will be an outline question. So this will be knowledge and application marks. Okay, so here you can see I have 2 knowledge points here. And for the blue highlight, this will be my application. So that's why it's important to actually highlight so that you can easily refer back so that you don't have to reread the whole passage. That's going to waste a lot of time. Let's go to C. So C here, they did say explain. So each point will have a knowledge point, analysis, and an application point. Okay, so the blue ones will be application. The green ones will be analysis. And remember, for analysis, we will be explaining either the impact or the why and the how. So the reason for this happening. Or you can do both, just to be safe, right? So this is for question C. Question D is where I'll spend most of my time. So question D here, I recommend a few things. One, you should have 3 paragraphs to keep things nice and neat. So you could see I really separate things out. And application point, you have 2 application points, right? So here is a sample answer that you can look at. And for evaluation, you need to make sure there are a few rules. Evaluation should be based on your previous point. So it cannot be a new point of knowledge, right? I will have a separate video on evaluation in the future. And you need to basically make a choice and explain why and reject the others. So this is a very short guide on paper 1. So I hope you found this helpful. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and let me know in the comments which suggestions you might have for the next video. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. All right. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.